Good morning, students. Welcome back to virtual online classes after winter break. I hope that you have studied a little bit through during the winter break. In the last class, we have discussed how we can solve linear equation one variable in the form of number line. Besides that, how we can solve the linear equation in one variable having the rational form, as well as if you are given the linear equation joined by multiple sign as well as addition, subtraction, like that. Now today we will discuss about the graphical solution of linear equation in two variables. In the last class we have discussed the solution of linear equation in one variable, whether it will be rational form or it may be in single linear form, like that. But today we will discuss the linear equation two variables. How we can solve graphically the linear equation two variables. This topic is very important because in class 12th there is a chapter linear programming problem, and the question used to come for 6 marks. In that case, you have to make the linear inequalities by the word problem that you are given. Here, before that, you have to see how we can solve linear inequations. Now, you know that there are number of forms of linear equation two variables. It may be ax plus by greater than or equal to c, ax plus by less than or equal to c. Now, first of all, in order to solve this type of linear equation, if you have to find the graph of the respective linear equation. The linear equation of this graph, this linear equation is ax plus by equal to c. इस लीनियर इक्वेशन का ग्राफ बनाने से पहले आपको रेस्पेक्टिव लीनियर इक्वेशन का ग्राफ बनाना है. द ग्राफ ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन विल बी रीजियन, but graph of a linear equation one variable is a number, will be in the number line form. Now first of all, you will make the respective linear inequality. That is the first step. That is steps of finding the solution. Second one is, by putting x equal to 0, you can find the point where the point of intersection of the line, the point of, this is equation number 1, intersection of the line on y-axis. तो y-axis का point मिलने के लिए x equal to 0 put करना है. Third step is putting y equal to 0, you can find the point of intersection of the line on x-axis. Now after that you can join the two obtained points. Join the obtained points. And next point is very important. And after that you have to see whether it is given as only greater than or equal to or simply ax plus by greater than c. Here ax plus by less than c. अगर x plus by greater than or less than I equal to नहीं आया, then the line should be dotted. That means if equal to sign is not given, तो आपको उस line को लेना नहीं है. If the inequalities contains equal to sign, then line should be bold. तो उस line को भी add करना है, तो आपको bold line बनाना है. Next is the very important step of this finding solution is how we can find the region. For that, I will go through the NCERT method that is very simple. First of all, you will put the origin, the coordinates of origin. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0 in the given linear inequality. Given linear inequality में आप origin का coordinates put करके देखेंगे. If it satisfies the given inequality, that means if origin satisfies the given equation, then the region including the origin is to be taken. अगर origin given linear inequality को satisfy करेंगे तो आपको origin जिस region में include हो रहा है उस region को लेना है. जो भी line आप बनाओगे 2D plane में, वो 2D plane को two parts में divide करेंगे. If line is vertical, then right hand side, right upper part, left upper part, right part and left part. If it is horizontal, top and bottom, like that. If it is sloppy way, then also there will be two parts. तो जो region में ओरिजिन लाई हो रहा है, अगर ओरिजिन गिवन लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे तो उस रीजन को आपको लेना है. नाउ यू विल बी क्लियर मोर इनफ by doing some question. This question is very important. You have to do these questions graph only. आप ग्राफ में ही इसको करेंगे, otherwise the point will be little bit different and the region will be absolutely wrong. I am doing example 1. This is the preliminary question. Example 1, page number 15.26. I am reading the question. Solve graphically the linear inequation. First one is 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6. Now we have to follow first step. First step, I am suggesting you it is better to draw solution table. इसमें आप solution table और बनाएंगे तो आप 100% सही हो जाएंगे. That is, after making it, you have to write the respective equation, not in equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Now take x and y. First of all, put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means y equal to 2. Again put y equal to 0, x equal to 3. देखिए 6. Now if you after putting the value of x equal to 0, y equal to 0, if you are getting the respective remaining variables value in fractional form, then you can use trial and error method to find the solution. Now first of all, again I am emphasizing you do these in graph only. First one is, this is origin, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी का सोल्यूशन रीजन हमेशा 2 डायमेंशनल प्लेन में ही नोट किया जाता है. नाउ दिस इज इन योर नोटबुक, इट इज नॉट रिटन, बट फॉर योर reducing the mistakes, it is better to write the values 1, 2, 3, the highest value is 3, and again y-axis 1, 2. Now 0, 2. What is 0, 2? This point is 0, 2. It is better to write 0, 2 also like that, so that your examiner will be easily understood what you are, which values you are taken. Next is 3, 0. 3, 0 is an x-axis. Now after that you have to join these 2 points and extend the line like you have done in class 10th. But in class 10th we have solved the pair of linear equation. That means solution is a single point. Now this is the graph of this line. Now first of all we have to see whether the line should be bold or dotted. लाइन बोल्ड होना चाहिए, डॉटेड होना चाहिए. देखने के लिए आपको देखना है इक्वल टू है क्या, या इक्वल टू है तो बोल्ड होना चाहिए, और इक्वल टू नहीं है आप इसको डॉट करेंगे. नाउ दिस स्टेप इज ऑल्सो ओवर. नाउ यू हैव टू, दैट मीन्स सी, ये लाइन पूरे 2D प्लेन को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया. वन पार्ट इज लाइक दिस, वन पार्ट इज लाइक दिस. विच पार्ट इज टू बी टेकन, दैट यू हैव टू सी. नेक्स्ट इज यू हैव टू टेक ओरिजिन. मैंने कहा था ओरिजिन का कोऑर्डिनेट्स लेंगे. ओरिजिन का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है, 0, 0. इसमें पुट कर लीजिए 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 less than or equal to 6. That means 0 less than or equal to 6. That means 0 is always less than or equal to 6. That means the region including origin is the solution region. That means you have to shade like this. ये ऐसा indefinitely चलता जाएगा तो आप इसको ऐसे शेड कर सकते हैं या ऐसे एरो मार्क भी लगा सकते हैं. Whatever that you are doing, if you are given only single line, it is better to show by this arrow mark. And in this region you have to write your inequality, not equality. Equality is the straight line. Inequality is 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6. In this way you can find the solution of graphical solution of linear equation to variables. Now this is the first question. I will do one more question. After that we will do simultaneous question. And second part is 2x minus y. 2x minus y greater than or equal to 1. As usual, first of all make this solution table. That is 2x minus y equal to 1. X equal to 0 gives y equal to minus 1. And y equal to 0 gives y equal to 0, that means y equal to 0 means x is 0.5. that you can take approximately, आप approximately ले सकते हैं. Now draw the graph. This is x axis and this is y axis. As usual, x dash y dash, and this one is 0.51. If you want, you can write 1.5. The highest value is 0.5, and y-axis no positive value, negative value is -1. Now you have to plot the point 0, -1. This is the point 0, -1. 0.5, 0. This is the point 0.5, 0, and you have to extend the line, and after that you have to think about dotted or bold line. Since equal to is coming, bold line is the, इस लाइन के आगे आप इक्वेशन लिख सकते हैं 2x minus y equal to 1. इक्वेशन लिखेंगे, इक्वेशन नहीं लिखेंगे वो रीजन में आ जाएगा. अब आपको देखना है कौन सा रीजन आएगा. तो कौन सा इसमें ओरिजिन इस लेफ्ट साइड में आ रहा है और नॉट ओरिजिन वाला राइट साइड में आ रहा है. तो 0, 0 इसमें पुट करेंगे. 0 minus 0 greater than or equal to 1 implies 0 greater than or equal to 1. That is not possible. So this region is not coming. So which region is coming? This region. In this way, you can find the region of the graphical solution of the pair of linear equation two variables, and this region you can write this as greater than or equal to 1. If you are not given equal to, अगर आप इसमें इक्वल टू नहीं दिया तो आप क्या करेंगे, इस लाइन को सीधा डॉटेड बना देंगे. आगे जी, दिस इज द, in this way we can find the solution region, otherwise solution of graphical solution of linear equation in two variables. Now suppose that there is the next one is third part. इसमें एक ही दे रखा है x greater than or equal to 2. So what you will do? X greater than or equal to means x equal to 2. X equal to 2, the graph of x equal to 2 is a straight line parallel to y-axis. That means this is y or y dash. And now x equal to 2, this is 1, this is 2. That is x equal to the line parallel to y-axis. Now x greater than or equal to 2. That means line is equal to coming, line is bold. Now you have to take the region 0. If 0 is substituting the place of x, you are getting 0 is greater than or equal to 2. That is not possible. So this region will not come. This region come. This region will come. In this way, you can find the solution set of, this is x equal to 2, this is x equal to 7. Graphical solution region of any linear equation, whether it contains only one variable or two variables. Now if it is y less than or equal to -3, y less than or equal to -3 means that is a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 3 in the downward direction. Y less than or equal to -3, y -3 से कम. That means if y less than or equal to -3 is coming here, 0 is not less than or equal to -3. तो 0, 0 वाला region नहीं आएगा, उसके नीचे वाला आएगा. These are the preliminary questions based for solving simultaneously the linear equation two variables. Next is example 2. Example 2, page number 15.27. I am reading the question. Solve following inequations graphically. This is modulus function. That is modulus x less than or equal to 3. As I told you, if mod x is coming like this, you can write -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. That is, two inequations are coming, x greater than or equal to -3 and x less than or equal to 3. That means if you plot the lines in this x o, x dash and y o, y dash, this point is -3 and this point is 3. Now if you x greater than or equal to -3 means x equal to -3 is the line like this, and x less than or equal to 3 means x equal to 3 is the line like this, which is parallel to y-axis. X greater than -3 means -3 to the right side, x less than this is x equal to -3 and this is x equal to 3. The common region is this one. This is the region. Now in this way there are two more parts that you can do by yourself, that is mod y minus x. Second part is mod y minus x less than 3. This you can do, I will just explain you. -3 less than or equal to, less than not equal to, so that dotted line should be there, y minus x less than 3. You have to take once this inequation, then that inequation, then you can find the region. Now one more example is given, example 3, that is mod x minus y greater than or equal to 1 by the formula -1 less than or equal to x minus y less than or equal to 1. Once you have to take this inequality, after that you have to take this inequality. There is common region, then you have to take common region, otherwise shade it differently, separately. Now this much is the basic question based on the linear inequalities, finding graphically the solution of linear inequalities in two variables. Now there is an exercise 15.5 that you can do yourself. Also you have to do NCERT exercise 6.2. Number of questions are there, you have to do by yourself. Next we are going to do questions for 4 or 6 marks. या 4 marks में आ सकता है, 6 mark में. First question, example 1, page number 15.28. This question is important. In this chapter, question may come from NCERT book also. I'm reading the question. Exhibit graphically the solution set of the linear equation. First linear equation is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Second one is 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 12. And next is x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Now x greater than or equal to 0 means the up top of x axis. Y greater than or equal to 0 means, I am drawing this for understanding you. X greater than 0 means पूरा ये पोर्शन आएगा. Y greater than 0 means ये पूरा पोर्शन आएगा. उसमें only x greater than 0, y greater than 0 कौन से आएगा? First quadrant. That is the region respective to x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 is first quadrant. So that no need of drawing any solution set. Now first of all, this will be time wasting. Then also if you draw number line, it is better for you. You will not do any commit any mistake. Now this is 1. 3x plus 4y equal to 12. First equation. Second is 4x plus 3y equal to 12. This is x, this is y. X equal to 0 gives y equal to 3. Y equal to 0 gives x equal to 4. Here x is equal to 0 gives y equal to 4. Y equal to 0 gives x equal to 3. Now let us draw the figure. And this is x-axis. This is y-axis. Now this is x-axis and y-axis. Now let us do x. First of all, let us find the region x greater than 0, y greater than 0. उसका ग्राफ बनाना नहीं, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट है, तो बाकी टू लीनियर इक्वेशन बच रहा है. 3x plus 4y equal to 12, 4x plus 3y equal to 12, 0, 3. For that it is better to draw, mark the numbers 4. This is 1, 2, 3, y also 4. Just lack of space I am doing like that, but you can do clearly in your graph notebook. 0, 3, this is 0, 3. And 4, this is 0, 3 and 4, 0, this is 4, 0. Now you can join it and extend. अब इसको आप join करके extend कर सकते हैं. And after that, after joining, the next step क्या है? Yes, you have to confirm that the dotted line is to be shown, bold line is to be shown. Since equal to sign is coming, bold line is to be shown. So in the along this line, you can write the respective equation as 4y equal to 12. 3x plus 4y. और रीजन हम अलग अलग शेड नहीं करेंगे, हम कॉमन रीजन शेड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट कौन सा है? 0, 4. x equal to 0, y equal to 4. This is 0, 4. And 3, 0. This is 3, 0. Now 0, 4, 3, 0. The line will come like this. Let me draw it. This is the second line, and the equation is, you can write along this with the line, or else you can write here, since equal to sign is coming, bold line is there, and 4x plus 3y equal to 12. Now इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, इसमें कौन सा रीजन आएंगे देखेंगे. हम सबसे पहले फर्स्ट लाइन को लेते हैं. दिस इज फर्स्ट लाइन. सी इफ यू पुट, दिस इज द, ये फर्स्ट लाइन है, दो रीजन आ रहे हैं, एक जीरो वाला रीजन, एक जीरो का अलग रीजन. 0 0 पुट करके देखेंगे 3 into 0 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 12 that means 0 is less than or equal to 12 तो कौन सा रीजन आएंगे ये रीजन आप एक्स का नीचे भी नहीं जा सकते वाई एक्स के लेफ्ट भी नहीं जा सकते बिकॉज यू आर गिवन एक्स ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 वाई ग्रेटर देन 0 तो ये रीजन आ रहा है नेक्स्ट देखना आपको सेकेंड लाइन 4x plus 3y दिस इज द सेकेंड लाइन this is the second line now you have to put the values that is again 0 plus 0 that is 0 less than or equal to 12 that is satisfying again this region is coming एक में ये लाइन पूरा आ रहा है एक में यहां से आ रहा है इसमें कॉमन रीजन कौन सा आएगा फर्स्ट वन इज इस लाइन के पूरे इस रीजन आ रहा है और इस लाइन के भी पूरा इस रीजन आ रहा है तो कॉमन रीजन कौन सा आ रहा है दिस रीजन इज कमिंग कॉमन दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन सेट ऑफ दिस गिवन लीनियर इक्वेशन तो आप अलग अलग अगर शेड करना चाहते हैं लास्ट में इसका शेडिंग अलग करना है तो कंफ्यूजन रहेगा सबसे पहले आप कॉमन रीजन फाइंड आउट करके उसको सोल्यूशन को शेड करना दिस इज द वन ऑफ द गुड क्वेश्चन फॉर इन द पॉइंट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एग्जाम्पल 2 दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड क्वेश्चन सेम पेज नंबर एक्सप्रेस ग्राफिकली द सोल्यूशन सेट ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट वन इज एक्स प्लस वाई less than or equal to 5 second one is 4x plus y greater than or equal to 4 third one is x plus 5y greater than or equal to 5 next is x greater than or less than or equal to 4 y less than or equal to 3 in this one no need of drawing नंबर लाइन सॉरी सॉल्यूशन टेबल इन दोनों में सॉल्यूशन टेबल बनाना नहीं x greater than or equal to 4 less than or equal to 4 means x equal to 4 x equal to 4 is a line parallel to y axis y equal to 3 is a line parallel to x axis now you have to make solution set of table of these three equation that is this is x plus y equal to 5 that is xy x0 y5 y0 x5 next equation is 4x plus y जब आप सोल्यूशन टेबल बनाएंगे इक्वल टू लिखेंगे इक्वेशन नहीं है इक्वेशन है दैट मीन्स अगेन एक्स वाई एक्स इक्वल टू 0 गिव्स y इक्वल टू 4 y इक्वल टू 0 गिव्स x इक्वल टू 1 नाउ थर्ड लाइन देयर आर टोटल 5 in equations third line is 4x plus y x plus 5y x plus 5y equal to 5 x comma y x equal to 0 y equal to 1 y equal to 0 x equal to 5 now you have to draw the graph in RD Sharma no number line the numbers in the number line is not shown but you have to show it otherwise mark will be reduced otherwise you will not get the proper region this is the base of class 12 linear programming problem chapter that is y of y dash x equal to 5 maximum value is 5 that is 1 2 3 4 5 and no negative value if you want you can write otherwise you can leave and y the highest value of y is 5 that is 1 2 3 4 5 now let us do one by one एक एक करके करते हैं 0 5 means this line this point 0 5 and 5 0 is this one now this first of all join this one जैसे आपने ज्वाइन किया उसके साथ में उसको इक्वेशन लिखेंगे बाद में ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा दैट इज दिस इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन इज x plus y is equal to 5 and since equal to sign is coming dotted line is not the bold line is required next one is 4x plus y equal to 4 first one is 0 4 this is 0 comma 4 second is 1 comma 0 this is 1 comma 0 now you join it let me check you join it and extend it अगर आप उसको एक्सटेंड करना चाहते हो एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं अदरवाइज यू कैन लीव दैट एज इट इज इसको वैसे भी छोड़ सकते हैं but with lack of space I am drawing little bit and this equation is this and the equation of this line is 4x plus y equal to 4 next is x plus 5y equal to 1 0 1 this is 0 1 and 5 0 this is 5 0 now if you join this number of lines are coming together if you join this the line will be like this this equation is x plus 5y is equal to 5. Next is x equal to 4. X equal to 4 is a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 4 units from origin. This is x equal to 4. Bold A equal to A. Y equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 is a line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 3 centimeter from 3 units from origin. This is y equal to 3. Now you have to find the common region. Now see, first of all take this one. This line को लेते हैं. See 0 0. 0 is putting in this equation. 0 plus 0. 0 less than or equal to 5. 0 less than or equal to 5 means that is satisfying. That means first line this complete region is coming. सारे आप शेड करेंगे, completely confused हो जाएंगे. Second one is 4x plus y greater than or equal to 4. Let me check. That means 0 is greater than or equal to 4. That is not possible. Then this region will come in that way. Next one is x plus 5y less than or equal to 5. That is 0 is less than or equal to 5. 0 put करके देखना satisfy हो रहा है तो ये region आ रहा है. Next is x less than or equal to 4. That means यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Next is y less than or equal to 3. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. तो कॉमन रीजन आपका आएगा ये आप अच्छी तरह समझ के करेंगे तब आपको आएगा. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन सेट ऑफ ऑल द गिवन इंडिकेशन. तो इसके बीच में आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना. वंस मोर आई एम सेइंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड मेक द सॉल्यूशन टेबल. After that, plot by putting x equal to 0 as well as y equal to 0, find 2 points where the line meets x-axis and y-axis. Plot the points and join the points. You will get the respective lines. After that, in order to find the region satisfying the linear indication, put the coordinates of origin in the given linear indication. If it is satisfied, that region is to be taken. Otherwise, the opposite region is to be taken. After that, shade the common region. Now, this much is there in R.D. Sharma, and some question that you are given, that is example 4 and example 3. You are given the shaded region. You have to make the linear inequality. That you can do by yourself. Otherwise, I will do one question and the remaining part you will do. But exercise 6.2, there are number of questions, more than 20 questions that you have to do by yourself. Now, one more, the example 1. Example 4, page number 15.29. You are given a graph. आपको एक ग्राफ दे रखा है. You have to find the linear inequalities of the respective graph. From this, you have to find linear inequalities. And one line is given like this. I am drawing approximately. This is passing through the point 1, 0, and this line is given as x minus y equal to 1. ये आपको दे रखा है. One more line is going through this 1, 0, and this line is given as 2x plus y equal to 2. And one more line is there. One more line is also there. That is this one. And the respective linear equation is given as x plus 2y equal to 8. And the shaded region is this one. You are asked to find the respective linear inequality. इसका respective linear inequality निकालना है. That is x plus 2y x plus y equal to 1 दे रखा है. तो इसमें आप अगर 0 greater than or equal to 1 लेंगे, 0 greater than or equal to 1 होगा, नहीं हो सकता है, तो ये region आ जाएगा. This one. That is ऊपर आ रहा है. That means x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 1. Second linear equation is what? Sorry, x minus y equal to 1 है. अगर आप 0 0 लेंगे, x minus y greater than or equal to 1 लेंगे, 0 greater than or equal to 1 not possible. तो क्या कौन सा आएगा? लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1. तो इसमें से रेस्पेक्टिव लीनियर इक्वेशन मिल रहा है x minus y लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1. अब यहाँ देखिए x minus 2y equal to 8. That is, sorry, x plus 2y equal to 8. If x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 8, then 0 will not come. आपको इस रीजन चाहिए, then you have to write this as that is 1 minute x plus 2y less than, तो 0 वाला रीजन आएगा. थर्ड वन इज 2x plus y इक्वल टू 2. अब 2x plus y इक्वल टू 2 में अगर आप 2x plus y ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू लिखेंगे तो इस 0 वाला रीजन आएगा. तो जीरो वाला रीजन है ही नहीं, तो ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 2. The respective linear indication this is the graph of the linear indications x minus y less than or equal to 1, x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, and 2x plus y greater than or equal to 2. Now in this way we can find the respective linear equation from the graph. That means in this chapter we have done a lot of questions. First of all, what do you mean by linear inequality? How we can solve linear inequality in one variable, and how we can represent the solution in number line form, how we can solve linear equation in rational form, as well as how we can solve linear inequation in which both sides are given in addition form or subtraction form. Now how we can solve word problem. Last one is graphical form. I hope that you have understood to do all these questions as well as exercise 6.2 in the graph notebook. See you again in the next class.